I'm going to do supported fish pose, a restorative yoga posture, starting seated with my upper body in the hammock, lying back. You can have straight arms or bent arms. I also like to warm up with a gentle sway. The hammock is lifting me and making fish pose more restorative, very similar to using a bolster. Yet I feel like the hammock allows for a wide range of variations. The higher the hammock, the more intense the fish pose is going to be. The lower the hammock, the less intense it will be. Here with the upper body in the hammock, I'm showing you some variations with having the full back covered, and I'll also start to slowly bring the bottom of the hammock up to my mid back. So the hammock placement is also a way you can vary. I'm continuing to warm up for my supported fish pose by doing some windshield wipers, just some gentle movements to get my body prepped and ready to relax. Some leg variations. You can have the legs straight or bent or in bound angle. Fish pose is known to improve spinal flexibility. It's also known as a heart opener, a very gentle and soft heart opener. Sitting up, coming into a forward fold, continuing to warm up, and a little reset as I will show you some variations to get deeper into the supported fish pose. Now allowing the hammock to be gathered, and I'm going to bring the hammock behind my head, not in my neck, actually on my head, and slowly lying back. Be careful if you have any neck issues. This can be really, really comfortable if you have the hammock placed in the right position. You should feel safe and supported so you can completely relax. I like to do these mild and gentle warm-ups as a way to prepare my body for a deeper relaxation. So I'm preparing my body for the supported fish pose. To exit, you're going to reach up for the hammock, pulling yourself up to seated. If you straighten the arms, you can allow the hammock to go behind you for our cross position. Keep the ribs in as you slowly lay back. Begin by interlacing the fingers behind the head, and then you can slowly extend backwards into our supported fish pose. The hammock should be in your upper back, and you should feel supported and yet able to have a nice gentle extension of the spine. If you need more support, you could put something underneath the head, like a pillow or a bolster or a block. You can also vary your arm positions, either out to the side or in cacti, or bringing the hands above the head. Those are variations depending on how flexible you are or just what feels right for you. I recommend staying in this posture anywhere from a minute to 3 minutes, doing some warm-up exercises to prepare the body, and then also making sure to slowly exit and doing some reset postures afterwards. Some leg variations. You can have the legs straight, or you can bring the soles of the feet together for bound angle. Or you could also have the knees bent and the soles of the feet on the mat. Supported fish pose is known to help regulate anxiety and stress. And as it opens the chest, it can help correct round shoulders. to exit, make sure you reach up to pull yourself up. I like to bring the hammock a little bit higher up towards my armpits so I feel more supported. And we can begin to do some reset postures, maybe some gentle sways side to side. Drawing the chin into the chest. Long, slow, deep breaths through the nose. And then coming into easy pose and pulling ourselves up to seated. Take a moment to make sure that you're feeling okay after lying back for so long. And you can also do a variation of easy pose, folding forward with the hammock at the elbows. And when you're ready, you can slowly bring your torso back up to neutral. Coming into easy pose, bringing the palms together, hands at heart center. Taking a couple long, deep inhales through the nose. And when you're ready, blinking the eyes and either preparing for your next posture or slowly coming to a stand.